Now let's explore custom training. Custom training lets you code your own ML environment to control the entire ML development process, starting from data preparation to model deployment. If you want to code your machine learning model, you can use this option by building a custom training solution with Vertex AI Workbench. Workbench is a single development environment for the entire data science workflow, from exploring to training and then deploying a machine learning model with code. Before any coding begins, you must determine what environment you want your ML training code to use. There are two options: a pre-built container or a custom container. Imagine that a container is a kitchen. A pre-built container would represent a fully furnished room with cabinets and appliances, which represent the dependencies, that includes all the cookware, which represents the libraries, you need to make a meal. So if your ML training needs a platform like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, or XGBoost, and Python code to work with the platform, a pre-built container is probably your best solution. A custom container, alternatively, is like an empty room with no cabinets, appliances, or cookware. You define the exact tools that you need to complete the job.